Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to share with you guys these shaker TNs that I've created. Now these will be for sale. Each one of these will be $47 shipped, and they will be shipped priority. But these are fully loaded and ready to go as soon as you receive them. They are a pocket size, so they are perfect to fit inside your purse. So they measure 4 inches by 6 inches, roughly, and the spine is about 1.5 inches. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to show these to you guys without this video being eons long, because I do have 7 of these that are available. So let me go ahead and take one, my favorite one that I've created, and I will show you what is inside, what it basically looks like, because each one of these have exactly the same components in it. So let's get started. So here is this, what I call Cheetah Glam, and I do apologize for the glare, but it is clear vinyl, so some of it I cannot get around. But like I mentioned, this is a pocket size. So the covers are 4 inches by 6 inches, and it is super, super cute. As you can hear, it is a shaker. Just from gravity, all the shaker bits do tend to fall, but they do move around really easily. So all the sequins have basically been coordinated to the spine. This is some printed vinyl, and I don't know if you guys can see that AB iridescent shine that this one has. I absolutely love this. I didn't think I was going to love this as much as I did until I got it. So I paired this with like a magenta hot pink. That's what I kind of think of when I think of cheetah. So there is a coordinating dangle that I created. So this one is very girly. I have like a little purse with rhinestones on it, some bead dangles that I created, a little tassel, and these faceted black gems, and this strip of bling on here. This comes with a 3mm pink elastic. Most of these are all 3mm unless it's a metallic, and then they are 2mm. It has a front dangle on it. And it also has this little protective piece made out of the same vinyl just to protect the sides, because it is vinyl, and I believe it creates less of a marring effect when the elastic is around it for such a long time. So let me go ahead and open this up, and I'm going to try to show you the shaker mix as best as I can without all that glare. So there is a bunch of sequins on the front and the back. They each will have 3 inserts. All the inserts will be laminated. So here's a cheetah print. There's also this little clip that you can use as a bookmark. None of the pages are actually adhered, so that you can easily keep using the covers and take out any of the inside components. So this is some heavyweight copy paper. So as you can see, it's detached. They do have the capacity for 4 inserts in here. You can add more if you would like. I'll go over this last. So this is the second booklet, and each one will also come with a monthly month at a glance planner. And then here is the last one. It comes with a lined booklet. So each one will have a monthly planner, lined paper, and just regular unlined paper. So those are the 3 inserts. I have a built-in pen loop that is actually made out of the same vinyl, and it's attached on the right side and the back here. You will get a decorative pen that coordinates with the planner. And this is actually a shaker folder. I love how these came out. So this is actually made out of vinyl as well. So it is a folder type shaker. So the shaker bits are in the front and on the inside. Go ahead and take these out. They have, I don't know if you can see that, clear pockets on either side and shaker items in there and also in the back. So I have decorated it. I've inserted some decorative either cardstock, just different types to kind of match with the entire TN. And I'm also including some planner stickers in the pockets. So I think that came out super cute. And then lastly, you will get a page marker. It has one of the clear target pockets on it. I have included some various die cuts, so you get some acetate tags, some cut aparts, some other various die cuts that you can use inside your planner. All the laminated items in here are laminated with 5mm, so they are very, very sturdy. You also get this paper clip, and the backs are all done as well. So like I said, you also get this paper clip that I created. So each one will have 3 paper clips inside. So this is my Cheetah Glam. I love how this came out. So super cute. Let me know down in the comments which one is your favorite after watching this video. So like I said, I have 7 of these available. I will put the names as I go through them of each one of these TNs on the screen, so you can kind of coordinate that with the description box as I will list them. I will also have all that information in the description box, so please check there before asking if anything is available or sold. The first round that I did of these, they did go pretty quickly, so if you see something that you like, I would go ahead and jump on it. Also, all this will be US only, PayPal only, through friends and family. First come, first served. I will not be able to hold anything, and if you're interested, please go ahead and email me. I will have that in the description box below as well, and we can go from there. So let me go ahead, and I think I'm just going to fast play through the rest of them so that you guys can see what is inside of them. Like I said, the components are the same as this one, and I hope you guys enjoy these shaker TNs. Okay guys, I actually am going to do a second video to show you the rest of them. I do have 4 more that I have available. I'm just running out of time. I'm trying to get this done really quick before I have to leave for work. So please stay tuned for the second video of my remaining TNs that are available. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the description box below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.